Hello guys! For today's video, magbibigay kami ng top 5 digital banks with its updated interest rate this 2025. Take note lang guys na lahat ng digital banks na babanggitin namin, yan ay based lamang sa aming research and personal experience. Ano nga ba ang pagkakaiba ng digital banks at ng traditional banks? Yung digital banks guys, they offer banking services entirely online, while yung traditional banks naman guys, they offer banking services through physical branches. Ang examples ng traditional banks ay yung BPI, BDO, Union Bank, RCBC, and many more. Ano nga ba ang kagandahan ng digital banks compared with traditional banks? Ang digital banks guys, nag-o-offer sila ng mataas na interest rates ranging from 2.6% to 15% per annum. Compared with traditional banks guys, na yung interest rate per annum nila ay nasa 0.125% lang. Pero ang kagandahan naman ng traditional banks guys ay more secured yung pera natin dito since matagal na sila sa industry and meron silang physical branches na pwede nating i-visit. If nag-worry kayo if safe ba yung pera ninyo sa digital banks, the answer is yes. Since most of the digital banks guys ay BSP regulated, meaning sumusunod sila sa rules and regulations ng Bangko Sentral and they can operate legally here in the Philippines. And they are also PDIC insured, meaning safe yung pera ninyo up to 1 million pesos. Let's say, nag-deposit kayo ng 1 million pesos sa specific digital bank and that digital bank guys ay nalugi. So, may ibalik yung 1 million pesos ninyo. Proceed naman tayo sa top 5 digital banks and for me, ang top 5 ay CIMB. It is a Malaysian universal bank based in Kuala Lumpur at yung base interest rate per annum niya ay 2.6%. And yung crediting pala ng interest rate ng CIMB guys, that's monthly. Top 4 on the list is GoTyme. It was launched in 2022 in partnership with Gokongwei Group and Singapore-based company named TymeBank. This digital bank provides 3.5% interest rate per annum with monthly crediting of interest. Ang top 3 digital bank namin ay Ownbank. In our previous video, top 1 namin si Ownbank since during that time, siya yung may pinakamataas na interest rate per annum and nasa 5% yung interest rate niya. But right now, since bumaba siya sa 3.8% per annum, nasa top 3 na lang siya nung list namin. In addition, hindi rin kasi nagbago yung application niya or yung interface niya. Since basic pa rin yung application, wala pa rin siyang bills payments or load buying or even cryptocurrency buying. So, yun yung reason bakit top 3 si Ownbank for today's recording. And sa Ownbank guys, daily yung crediting ng interest niya. Ang top 2 digital bank ay Maya. It is one of the leading digital banks here in the Philippines and currently meron siyang 3.5 interest rate per annum. Siguro madami sa inyo yung magtatanong, bakit nasa top 2 siya 3.5% lang naman yung interest rate niya per annum? The answer is, meron sila kasing ongoing promotion wherein pwede kayong maka-earn up to 15% interest rate per annum pag na-accomplish nyo yung mga task provided. And yung crediting pala ng interest kay Maya, it's daily. And ang kagandahan pa sa Maya guys is yung application nila. Yung application nila is sobrang developed wherein pwede tayong makabili ng insurance, ng stock, ng cryptocurrency, pwede rin yung bills payment and load buying. If you wanna try Maya guys, simply download it from your phone and use our referral code na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen para makakuha kayo ng 50 pesos upon sign up. Last but not the least, ang top 1 digital bank natin ay SeaBank. Dati siyang Bangko Laguna Incorporated which is now owned by Sea Group. And Sea Group din pala yung nagmamay-ari sa aking paboritong online store na Shopee. Para sa interest rate per annum naman ng SeaBank, currently, yung interest rate ni SeaBank is 4% per annum for any deposit up to 400,000 and any excess dun sa 400,000, 3% interest rate per annum. So, ganito siya guys. Let's say nag-deposit tayo ng 500,000 pesos. So, yung dineposit natin na 400,000, mag-earn siya ng 4% interest rate, while yung excess na 100,000, 3% interest rate lang yung ma-earn niya. Ang kagandahan pa sa SeaBank guys, is ang ganda rin ng application nila. Since nagpo-provide ito ng rewards and rebates whenever we're using the application sa pagbabayad ng bills or pagbili ng load. For example, kapag ginamit natin yung SeaBank sa pag-purchase ng load, pwede tayong maka-earn up to 3% off. And kapag ginamit naman natin yung SeaBank sa pagbabayad ng bills payment, pwede tayong maka-earn ng 5 pesos cashback. And aside from that, pag nagbayad kayo ng credit card bills using SeaBank, makaka-earn kayo ng 1% rebate. And hindi lang yan guys, kasi pag ginamit nyo yung SeaBank as mode of payment sa Shopee transactions ninyo, is makaka-earn kayo ng rewards dahil partner sila ni Shopee. Kagaya ko guys, since lagi akong tambay sa Shopee, is gamit na gamit ko talaga yung SeaBank. Kaya na-enjoy ko yung pag-purchase ko sa Shopee since every time na magpa-purchase ako, nakakakuha rin ako ng rebates. If you wanna try SeaBank guys, simply download it from your phone and use our referral code na ipa-flash namin dito sa screen para maka-earn kayo ng 50 pesos once you deposited 1,000 pesos and you hold it for at least 3 days. And that's it guys! Yan yung top 5 digital banks natin with updated interest rate this 2025. And meron pala kaming special mention, yan ay yung Bangko. It is a subsidiary of BPI. Actually, hindi pa namin siya natatry guys, pero nagpo-provide sila ng 5% interest rate per annum for balance ranging from 5,000 to 1 million pesos. As mentioned earlier guys, lahat ng nabanggit namin na digital banks are BSP regulated and PDIC insured, kaya nakakasiguro kayo na safe yung pera ninyo. At sana nakatulong ang video na to para sa mga gustong mag-save this 2025. At para sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa aming channel, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aming mga videos. That's it for today. Bye!